Okay, today we are going to create the kind of the clacker feet of our bird. So you're going to have some clay, and the first thing you want to do is make a coil. You want it kind of thick. You want it the size of the clacker you want. If it's too skinny, it will fall apart, especially when it's getting clacked, if it doesn't fall apart right away. So kind of sticking this in here, kind of judging the size you want this. Okay, that's good. And then how long you want it to go down. Probably like there. We're going to just use one for both feet, okay? Because otherwise there's not really a lot of room. So you're going to want to divide it in half lightly, like I'm not cutting through it. I'm just creating a line so it looks like two legs. And I'm going to do that on both sides. Okay, so then you can, a couple ways you could go about this. You could use your needle tool and just draw on the ends like that. You could add on kind of the claws, but you want them kind of thick. So you could create kind of like a coil that's pinched at the end. You could use a circle, so making a sphere, kind of flattening it and attaching those. You could also kind of press your finger in 2 times to create like a W and have that on there. So you decide, but it does need to be kind of thick. If it is too thin, it will not work. I'm going to do these. So then I have to slip and score, make the cat scratches. Okay, then paint my slip, wiggle it on. While you're working, I'll come around with my little hole tool to put a hole through it.